Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Payoneer unable to receive payment issue. First, make sure that your account is fully verified. If your account is not verified, payments may be blocked or delayed. Then check if your receiving accounts are active. Log in from a browser and go to the receive section to confirm that your receiving details are available. Then also confirm that the sender is using the correct payment details. Even a small mistake in account information can cause the payment failure. Then check if your account has any restrictions or notifications. If there is any pending document request, complete it immediately. If everything looks correct and you still cannot receive payment, contact Payoneer support and provide details about the sender and the payment amount. That's how you fix the Payoneer unable to receive payment. Subscribe for more clear and easy help.